Hi, my name is Melissa, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite products in my skincare routine, and that is the Green Clean by Farmacy. This product is a total game changer, and I'm so excited to share all the details about it and also show it in action and show you why this is a really important product to own if you're on your skincare journey, and if anything, to help elevate your skincare. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for the longest time, I was not a believer in cleansing balms. I just thought that I could use my regular face wash that I use in the shower and use that to take off all my makeup. However, I realized very quickly once I purchased this product that that is definitely not the case. Having a cleansing balm or just some type of product to help take off your makeup that you're wearing all day is honestly essential in your skincare routine. And that's because when you are applying your toner, your moisturizer, your retinols, whatever serums, you want that product to really go into your skin as clean as possible. So if you have any remaining makeup on from the day, it really doesn't make a good situation. It can cause more blemishes, it could cause more acne, and it doesn't really help your skin get all the benefits that your creams and serums can offer. So having a cleansing balm is really an essential step and something that I overlooked for a very long time, but I'm so happy that I use it now. Now I will be showcasing how this product works. I did my makeup a bit more dramatic than I typically would do on a normal day, just to kind of showcase the difference of washing your face with this versus washing your face without it, just to show that this really does help to remove as much makeup as possible. And honestly, ever since I started integrating this product into my skincare routine, I've noticed dramatic differences with my skin. A lot of the issues that I was having in terms of blemishes, in terms of dullness, that pretty much started to disappear. My skin really cleared up. I typically would have a bit of texture around this area, the upper cheeks. However, ever since I've been using this, my skin has been super clear and it's honestly been a lot glowier than usual. So some really great things that I've seen since using this product. A huge highlight about this product is how clean it is. And I'm not just talking about the fact that it is ranked a clean product on Sephora's website. I'm talking about how clean the process of using it is. I've used cleansing balms in the past, and my biggest gripe with them is they are just so messy. They do take your makeup off, but it's just all over the place, and not just on your face. I mean, it's all over the place on your counter, you're dripping everywhere, and then it just causes a mess. And to be honest, I think that's what turned me off from using a cleansing balm for so long, because the process of using it just became more of a struggle than I wanted to take on. And while that seems a little bit silly, it was just a little step that annoyed me enough where I didn't want to do that. With this product though, I don't experience that whatsoever. This product does not drip off of your face. Yes, it does melt all the makeup off, but it's very easy to use and it does not create a mess on your workspace. And that is a huge differentiator with this product, and honestly a huge reason why I just love it so much. So without further ado, let's go take this makeup off. Welcome to my bathroom. So now we are going to remove this full face of makeup that I did. So for this side of my face, I'm going to be using the Green Clean by Farmacy. And for this half of my face, I'm going to be using the face wash that I use every single day. However, in the past, I was using it to both take my makeup off and to clean my face. And that is the Liquid Facial Mild Soap for Dry Skin from Clinique. First, I'm just going in with some water to help activate the product, just so then it can help work to the best of its abilities. So here I have my little spatula. I'm just scooping out a small little bit of the product, warming it up in my hands to help prep. And we're going in. You could see super easily the product is breaking down the makeup with total ease. And I'm just going to speed up a clip of me applying it. So now I'm going to go in with the Clinique face wash. I'm just putting one squirt in there and then going in with that. And you could see it's having a harder time breaking down the makeup. It's kind of staying on top, not really moving my mascara off really at all. So I'm just going to speed up this clip as well. Now we are done with both sides. I'm just going to rinse. Here we are. And now I'm going in with some toner just to show how much was removed. And as you can see on the right hand side, the Farmacy definitely removed a lot more than the Clinique side. As you can see, it does a phenomenal job, and it truly does make a difference when it comes to taking your makeup off, so then you can get the best possible results with your skincare routine. So now I'm just gonna go into some quick details about this product. This is the full size of the Green Clean. It comes with 3.4 fluid ounces. When you open it up, it just twists right off. And something that I love is it does come with a spatula for you to scoop the product out, which is so awesome. You don't have to worry about, putting your fingers inside the product. I don't know about you guys, I kind of get a little bit freaky when it comes to things getting under my nails. So having the spatula and just the cleanliness of it in general, it's a little thing that really goes a long way in my opinion. This is one that I'm currently using. It smells amazing. It has such a fresh scent to it, and I think that's why I also love it too. It doesn't smell chemically, and that has to do with the ingredients. So this is the inside here. You can see it's this really pretty green matcha color. Again, not the biggest deal, but for somebody like me who really appreciates aesthetics, I really enjoy that. I did mention before, this product is identified on Sephora as one of their clean products. So this does not have parabens, it does not have sulfates, any of those things, it's not in there. Without those ingredients, you might be wondering, well, how is it taking off your makeup? I have the website right here pulled off just so I make sure that I give the proper information. So in order to melt the makeup off, they use sunflower and ginger root oil for that. All natural ingredients, we love that. It takes the makeup off really well without stripping your skin, which is huge when it comes to skincare. We're not trying to strip our skin, and we're not trying to create more issues that we have to fix. They also have here turmeric, which helps to improve impurities, sunscreen residue, and fights effects of pollution, which is awesome as well. And it also has papaya in it to help exfoliate pores, which I definitely think that is a huge game changer, at least for me. Like I mentioned before, I typically get a lot of texture over here, but I haven't seen that. And even more so, I usually get a lot of clogged pores on my nose. I get a lot of white and blackheads. Since using this regularly, I have experienced a huge decrease in blackheads and whiteheads that I would get here. So something I really, really love. Another huge highlight about this product that is just awesome is a little bit truly does go a long way. So while this product is a bit pricey, coming in at $34, like I said before, a little bit does go a long way, and this will last you a very good amount of time. I've been using this every single day, minus maybe some weekends, for the past, I would say 3 months, and I still have, as you can see, more than half in there to go. So this does last a very long time. There are many cleansing balms that are a lot cheaper. However, for the longevity that I get out of it, for the cleanliness in terms of process of using and cleanliness of ingredients used, this is a phenomenal product to integrate into your skincare. Something else that is great is that all skin types can really use and benefit from it. It is safe to use for oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin. It's just a very good universal product that I feel like a lot of people could use and benefit from. A claim that they have on the website here is that it melts your makeup off without stripping your skin. I completely agree with that. I think we've all had those experiences where you use either makeup wipes, makeup removers, a cleansing balm, whatever, and you take your makeup off and your skin just feels tight. It feels very uncomfortable. You don't get that with this product. This product literally melts all your makeup off and you still feel hydrated. So overall, I think it's safe to say that I absolutely adore this product. Whether you wear sheer makeup every day or a full face of makeup every day, this product, in my opinion, is totally essential when it comes to removing that and really going into your skincare routine to get the best results possible. So that is everything from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.